Okay, in this product review, we got another ViZiUUY security camera. This camera is so new, it's not even on Amazon yet. It'll come in on Amazon around October 1st. Look at that, isn't that cool? All built into one. Got the solar panel up here. You got the solar panel, you got the batteries built in. Absolutely, completely wireless. Mount it to your wall. It's all ready to go. How cool is that? You got your solar panel there. I haven't even turned this on yet, so I don't have it connected to the network yet. But I'm assuming these are lights right here. Imagine they'll get real bright. It's all-in-one, powerful on its own. Enjoy anytime access with the Cloud Edge app. Now this is the only picture I have with the system right now. I don't even have, it's so new that, like I say, it's I don't even have all the pictures I normally have to go with it. But we'll get through this. You do have to have an SD card, so we got to get that put in. So we'll get that camera over here and we'll take a closer look at this. Okay, check out that design. Isn't that cool? By ViZiUUY. See that camera right there? A motion sensor right there. Camera lens right there. Backside we got your power switch, got your reset switch, got your charge port, USB-C, and here's our USB. Take a chance of seeing which way this goes in there. Oh wow, I got it right the first time. They only go in one way. I'm gonna have to move it over here so I can shove it on down in there with a latch. Okay, it's connected. Okay, now we can turn this thing on. Okay, we power it up. Probably watch the lights flash. Like I say, I haven't even had this turned on yet. There we go. Lights didn't flash. Okay, we'll go ahead and reset it. Okay, reset. Okay, everything in here is all good to go. We'll seal that back up. What'd I do? It must have just rebooted. Okay, you got your camera. You got your screws. You got your charging port. Now you do need to charge this up when you get it. That's what I did. It'll have like a little orange light. Orange light or red light, I don't remember, but it'll turn to green when it's charged. This thing must be recording now, I don't know. Got a flashing red light. Anyway, you got your sticker. You got your instruction book. That's the 2K wireless solar security camera. That's the VZ3B1 quick start guide. Okay, let's pull up. Cloud Edge is the app to use to connect this with. And I'll actually show you, we got internet out here today. And like I say, some days it works, some days it don't. we're going to show you how to connect this to the internet. Okay, you're going to click on your cloud edge. There's a little plus at the top of the screen right here. Hit that plus. It'll say add device or scan code. We'll scan the code. You scan that QR code right there. You're going to scan the code. Okay, it scanned it. Enter configuration. Scanning for Wi-Fi. Just connect it to your Wi-Fi that comes up on there. Okay, we got it connected. Okay, this does have two-way audio. You can talk back to the camera. It does have screenshot. You can record. You got a siren on it. You do have the lights. There's the lights. That's pretty bright. That'll wake up the neighbors. Got motion. That'll wake up the neighbors. Okay, it's got motion detection. It's got light, siren. It's got album, full color mode. Got the cloud. Got the history. You got live. So it's got it all in there. Okay, this is a fixed lens camera here. So this would be great over your driveway, front door, anything you want to just keep an eye on. Okay, this is the cloud edge. The last camera I did a review on, you had to plug it in. It didn't have a battery, didn't have solar panels. So I wound up putting it in the garage. So it's got a garage view right here. It's pointing right towards the car and the golf cart. And I even know in the evening I can check and make sure the garage door's shut. So that's nice to be able to just check it on the camera, make sure everything's shut down, ready to go. But check all my other videos down below of all the cameras I did a review on. They're pretty neat little units. Okay, this got two-way audio, family sharing, color night vision, advanced AI human detection, customize activity zones, works with Alexa and Google Assistant. I think all these cameras do that. You got a toll-free number on here. This is 2K video resolution, forever power, solar style, wire free, hassle free. This is the ViZiUUY, all-in-one, powerful on its own, 2K wireless solar security camera. Please use the 5-volt DC power adapter to charge the camera before installation. Chargers not included. Alright, that's a all-in-one, powerful on its own. Got that built-in solar panel up at the top. Now how cool is that? You can mount this on the south side, up under the eave, kick it down a little bit so you get a little bit of sunshine. You can mount it on the west side, get you a little bit of sun before the sun goes down. This is all hooked up, ready to go. I was trying to show you how to connect it a while ago, and said the internet connection was poor, so I had to wind up going inside there and rebooting the modem and everything, so I didn't get it. It's real easy to do. It just steps you right through it, tells you what to do next. You don't even got to use a manual. It's so easy to do. It has a voice that tells you what to do. So it's real easy to do. Okay, this is the cloud edge. The more cameras you got on there, the more little screens you'll have. This is the one here. Now I did connect this into the router that's closer to the garage here, because it is going to probably be going on the garage somewhere. You can overlook the driveway. It's saying I received an alarm, probably because I'm moving this thing around, and it detects motion. Yep, there's the picture. It's got a pretty good picture on it. Got a full battery. Got the light. Testing. Testing. You gotta hold the top. You got somebody in the driveway. I'll be right there. That's pretty neat. You also got a record button on here you can hit. Okay, like I say, this is a brand new camera, just came out. I'll put an Amazon link down below. And go to Amazon, pick you up one. It's all a one built-in unit. The solar panel on there, I like the texture on that. Got the little speaker down below. And this is all water resistant. That's why you got your little covers, you can seal them back up. It's got the microphones in the front, and they got the speaker down below. No wires out the back, that's what's cool. No wires to put a solar panel or nothing on. It's all completely self-contained. So go to Amazon and grab you one of them. Check out my other cameras I got on the channel too. Grab the one that best suits you. I'll tell you what, nowadays you need a camera. You need lots of security cameras. Need lots of security cameras. See what's going on outside. Alright, I want to thank the guys that sent this out to us. Let us check this out. Very nice little camera. Very cool design. 4 little screws, got it mounted. You ain't got to do nothing else with it. connect to the internet. Alright, thanks for watching.